Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be working on my side table for the longest while, guys. I have no clue as to how I want this side table to look. I finally decided to get some pieces and try and like style it and see how it looks. It's gonna be trial and error, but we're gonna go through it together. And we have the siren G. Yeah, so we're gonna go through it together and just decorate and organize this side table. Literally, like, you don't even want to see the drawers, but I'm gonna show you guys what the area is looking like. So this is the area I will be working on today. This is the mom side table, or mom, what do you call it? Yeah, this is a mom bedside table from IKEA, and I also DIY and had some hooks on it just to make it a little bit different. I'm gonna try and insert a video of me just putting on the hooks. I got them from Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll ensure to leave them for you guys. And this is literally what the side table is looking like at the moment. I got this lamp from IKEA, but I switched out the shade, and this shade is from Wilko. I got it for like £4 or something. I just wanted something different, and it's like a beige-ish color, and the frame is gold. And also we have like a little diffuser. Is it diffuser? I think it's called is it a diffuser? Yeah, we have a little diffuser here. She is from TK Maxx, and we have our dear friend there. We're not gonna call her name because we don't want to make any noise at the moment. I just have a little candle, a coaster, a book, and my glasses on there. And also in the drawers, don't judge guys, because there is a lot going on in here, so we definitely need to organize this drawer, and that's what we're gonna go on and do today. I mainly use this drawer every single night, so I literally just chuck everything in there, and it comes to a point where it's just overflowing with rubbish. So I need to do a little bit of clear out and just trying to make it neat as possible. And down here we just have loads of crap as well, like old notebooks, wires, tape measures, like documents, yeah, that kind of stuff. So I just need to go in there, kind of take out stuff that I don't need anymore, and kind of let this side table like just revamp the whole area. So that's what we're gonna do today. Before I actually go ahead and set up, I'm gonna show you guys some of the decorative pieces that I got for this side table specifically. So if you've watched my previous video, which is my homeware haul, you guys would have seen most of these stuff, well, maybe all of them, as to what I bought for my side table. So let me show you guys. Some of the decorative pieces we'll be using is, I'm gonna try and like set up this mirror here. We got some candles. You guys will see when I set them up anyway, like how cute is this. I got this from an Instagram store. Again, if you guys want to know where these stuff are from, ensure to check out the homeware video. I'm gonna ensure to leave it in the card so you guys can go ahead and check it out. All the links will be down in the description box as to where everything is from. And we have like a coffee table book, a tray, and a new lamp, because that lamp needs, and clear everything off the desk. I'll definitely recommend when you guys are decorating any area at all, to start off with like a clean slate, so you can have an idea as you go as to where you want to place things, instead of stuff already there is getting in the way. You guys get the point. So clear everything off the desk. So we're gonna go ahead and just plug the stuff out from here. This book is so good. I got this as like a birthday gift. If you guys watch my birthday vlog, you would have seen. I got this, and it's really such a good book. Like, it literally grab your neighbor and say, girl, fix up your life. That's this book. So the drawer is pretty much clear. I'm gonna be leaving this in here. These are my my babies. I love sunglasses so much. Oh, still have like a receipt in here on my nail shop thing. Yeah, so these are my sunglasses. They're just in this acrylic case. These are my, oopsies. These are my designer sunglasses up here. And down here, they're just the regular ones. Well, I just like to keep them in here because they're my babies. I love sunglasses so much, so you have to like protect them. So yeah, the drawer is pretty much empty now, the top one, so we're going to go ahead and organize this. We have a shitload of things up here, excuse my language, but we have a lot of stuff up here which really doesn't need to be in this drawer because I don't really need or use them. So I'm gonna just go through, organize, and kind of put only the stuff that I need in the drawer here. This drawer is pretty much done. Nothing really special in the drawer. I just have like my book here that I used to read, my gratitude journal, my headscarf, hand cream so I can use at night, my glasses, I have some mask, a headband, a coaster so I can use when I'm drinking water or anything hot or cold, any hot or cold drink, and my glasses as I showed you guys, some incense stick, some essential oils, and I have some spare sunglasses around there, and that is pretty much that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try and tackle her. This one is like the headache because there's a lot of junk in here, so let's tackle this. The drawer is a little bit more organized. I just have my notebooks here, and I have like other documents and like cards and stuff there, and some wires there like chargers and stuff, other documents in my pouch, and spare glasses case which I use to do traveling and stuff. Like I'll put my sunglasses in here if I need to travel with them, which is really cool. This is from Key, Australia. I got it like ages ago. So yeah, that's the drawer done. We still have some mess up here from what I took from the drawer. I can't believe all this stuff was in the drawer. But I'm gonna clear this up, and then we can start with actually decorating this whole space, which I'm sure you guys want to see. Okay guys, so I have the pieces here which I'm going to be using to decorate the side table. Let me show you guys the lamp. Like how freaking gorgeous. Let me turn on the exposure so you guys can see how freaking beautiful. Like, get into this lamp. When I saw it, I was like, definitely need to get her. How gorgeous, honestly. So this is the one that we're going to be setting on the table. The idea is to have like this mirror. I got it from Wilco for like, I think it was around £12, and this is how the mirror is looking. It's like a round mirror, like a little thing here to hang. So that's what we're gonna do behind the side table here. We also have this coffee book, which is a Chanel coffee book. I'm gonna be using it as a decorative piece. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna put the Alexa and the diffuser back here. Maybe I'll just put the diffuser, I don't know yet. And then we're gonna just use some candles to like decorate and stuff. I got a vase from H&M, but it's not here as yet. It's coming later today, but I just want to do this video just to I don't want to slow me basically. Let's go ahead and put this mirror up. We're gonna be putting the mirror here. I already went ahead and used like a command strip to put the hanging thing, but we're just gonna set up a little station here, and then we do this as like the final little touch. Absolutely love this shade. I'll need to take this off. I'm gonna see if the mirror, not the mirror, needs to add bulb into this. I'm gonna have to unscrew the top. I'm gonna see if the bulb that I already have can fit in here. Can it fit? Oh yeah, shit. I was gonna say I don't think it can fit, but it does actually. That's great. Gorgeous. So I got like this wooden thing initially to do like a DIY stool, but it's too small, so I'm ending up having to use it as like a tray. So I'm just gonna place my candles on it. I got these candles from my Instagram store. Again, ensure that you guys check out the previous video or check the description box for where the stuff are from. And this is what we have so far. I think it's really cute, but we can do a little bit better. So this is what we have so far. So as I was mentioning, this little wooden thing is from eBay. I don't know if that's what you guys are. It's from eBay. I initially wanted to do like a little, I told you guys this already. Yeah, so I just have the candles on the little wooden tray, the Chanel book, only because it's wax. I don't want the wax to get on this. So if I don't put this, I even have like another tray coming from Etsy. I can even use that one as well. Light my candle and stuff. And I have my lamp here, and I also went ahead and set the mirror, which is so cute in this space. So nice. It's not much going on. I have the H&M lamp coming, so we're gonna set the lamp, and I'm gonna show you, not the lamp, the little vase, H&M vase coming. So we're gonna set the vase, hopefully with some pampers, because I have pampers on that side of my bed, and see how it looks. So this is what we have going on so far. I went ahead and I removed the little brown tray that I had here, and I put my diffuser, only because I really use this diffuser at night, and I think it only makes sense by the bed. So I went ahead and added, so I'm just gonna see if I can add just a few more pieces just to see how things are kind of like working together. Earlier I thought my H&M vase was here, but it's not, even though it said it's delivered, which is really weird. But once that's here, then we can play around with things a little bit more. But for now, I think I'm gonna leave it how it is and just add like a few more bits. I want it to be minimal and cute. That's the vibe that I'm really going for. Minimal, cute, with not too much stuff going on up here. And for now, I think there's a lot going on up here. So it's a thing where you have to like literally just move stuff around just to see how they will work. So I think I'm gonna just add that right there and kind of probably move the diffuser, put it there, and then here I can probably have like my laptop and stuff if I want to keep it at night, or I can just add like this notebook because it have like texture, like some fluff and stuff, and I do use this notebook quite a lot, so we can have the notebook there. And once my vase does come, and you know, as I go along, I probably add and remove pieces. Once my vase does come, then I could probably add even like an alarm clock here or something. but this is a nice start, because honestly guys, from what we're coming from, this looks 10 times better. So I'm happy about that. My Alexa, I'm gonna move it maybe on my desk or something. The good thing is I don't really need it next to me anyway. So yeah, this is the end product for now. You know, the beaded decor, I could probably get one and probably put around here on a big, just to add some more texture. I think that will be really cute. So this is what I have going on so far. Absolutely love the candles, the body candles. They're so stunning. Is my bedside area. Just a little organization and decorating the space, make it a little bit more cute, a little bit more me, and I think this is really cute. Again, I'm getting another piece which I'm waiting on at the moment, so once that comes I can kind of see how it works. That decorative piece, you guys will see it in the homeware haul anyway. Of what I'm talking, I'll try to incorporate it in that video. Really happy with this. I love how it come out. If you guys did enjoy this video, please let me know, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below of what kind of videos you guys would like to see next, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.